Okay, it's February 2nd, 2022. We, at the last, 2 weeks ago, when the generator went to exercise itself, tried to kick it over and it didn't. Just popped the cover off, check the error code with the FC-6, engine overspeed, and that could lead to low propane pressure. We have a regulator all the way at the back. There's probably about 50 to 60 feet of 3/4 inch CSST propane gas line that's running underground. But we popped the covers off. It's been running for about a half hour. Manually shut it off. About 48 hours. I'm going to shut it off now. Let's see what we got going on here. And it looks like it reset itself. So we're back at 48. So we're going to pop the cover back on it. And so basically, if you do have an FC-6 overspeed error, before you do anything, before you check the linkage, throttle linkage and everything, if it's in cold weather, and as you could see, that's pretty far back, I should have a second regulator here or bring the tanks up, but this generator is going to be replaced next year with a 25 kW, which is actually in the garage. But as you could see, that reset the code. And what the process, all I did was I went to the system switch, which is always set to auto. I flipped it to off. I let it sit for about 5 seconds, turned it back onto auto, and I hit the manual override, and I started. It kicked right over, so the battery is good. I let it run for about a half hour, get the propane flowing, and we have a storm coming in tomorrow. But we haven't had any problems with lost electric, so we're going to button this back up. And so that's if you have an issue, cold start, it fails to exercise itself, you have an FC-6 error, engine overspeed, could very well be loss of propane, and that's how you reset the generator. This is N2LEN saying best 7-3.